Olga, IB Masters Learning Center and IBMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 22nd question from Digital SAT Test 3, Module 1, number 22 reads, which choice completes the text most logical transition? When that's the question, you want to determine whether what comes before and after the blank shows similarity or difference. We go to the paragraph. Archaeologist Sue Brunning explains why the 7th century ship burial site at Sutton Hoo in England was likely the tomb of a king. First, gold artifacts inside the ship suggest that the person buried with them was a wealthy and respected leader. Blank, the massive effort required to bury the ship would likely only have been undertaken for the king. This is very typical of a structure, three sentences for a transition question. First, we've got the main idea. Then we've got two details that support that main idea or topic sentence. It's going to show similarity. So based on that, you know that it can't be instead. Instead's going to show difference. Now, notice I underlined first. Whenever you see the word first, what you could expect in the blank is the word second or next or something like that. And boom, answer choice C says second. So this one, you could have cut right to the chase and said, hey, if it says first, I expect it to say second or next or something like that, and you could get the answer really efficiently. That's another thing you do for these. You could predict what the answer is going to be. This one would be a good one to make a prediction for then or next. Still would actually show difference as well, so that would be gone once you determine that there are two sentences that support the topic sentence, so they show similarity. Specifically would be used if this last sentence is saying the same thing as the sentence before it, but more specifically. So that's gone as well. Correct answer is D. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with these transition or conjunction questions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe up here so you don't miss anything. And also check out another video on transitions. To see the shorter videos, go to IB Masters Learning Center. And once you click on the playlist, find your test and module number. The shorter videos are just below these longer videos. Have a great day.